too. It's a good number. That's a good number. Let me make sure this baby's on there real tight. We're gonna start the old 12 valve. Oh no way. He starts first little crank. No block heater. Gotta wait for that air to build up. Only 93,000 miles on this old 12 valve. She got a water and air cooler. She old school. Whew. He is dusty. God dang. Get that Sharpie out of there. Yeah, super clean. Super clean. God dang. Craziest shit, they open and close to block off that radiator and build up heat. They should be closed right now, I don't know why they're open. We actually gotta wait for that air to build up. I gotta pull her forward a little bit. I kinda bonked the fence. We'll have to straighten that out a little wee bit. It's kinda hard to remember this thing back here. Gotta get used to its size. Just basically extended the frame, used the bumper, welded it on a little further. It's a 4-foot frame extension. Really clean, a New Mexico bus, no rust. 93,000 miles. Okay, here. I haven't had it plugged in. I haven't started it in a month. I thought it was going to take some cranking. She's running great. I'm going to play with the pump a little bit when I get some time. Play with the pump. Plenty of headroom. This will be another project coming up. I'm going to try and get recorded. Yeah, I'm going to adjust the pump a little bit. And yeah, probably do some maintenance to her. Probably you know, fresh oil. Check everything over, but probably maybe even adjust the valves. about using the stuff from this RV, put in this school bus, all the furniture and equipment and stuff, like the sink, fold out couch, some cool chairs, you know, basically take all this stuff, maybe even the shower pan, try and mock that up, fab it up in the school bus, maybe even some of these cabinets. This AC is a definite, she works great, so we're going to take the AC. Maybe even like this is kind of cool, you know, but I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think I should use this for the school bus or start fresh, get all new equipment, start from the beginning? I don't know. Not too sure what I want to do. Not too sure what I want to do. I'm gonna get these tape and sharpie. It's got a big block in it. I was thinking about putting in something cool, maybe a little race car or something.